this is Emily. Today I will show you how to make film rolls. You know, for some coffees and some candies, customers need to use the rolls in their filling machine. So today I will show you how to make the rolls. You can see, before cutting, it will be like this. Also, you can do printing on it. And this one is the inner bag, so it without printing. And we will cut them into suitable size and suitable weight. Customer will normally require it around 30 kilograms one roll. You can see one roll will be cut into 2 rolls. After that, it will be like this. Will be in suitable weight. And then we will pack them with wraps. And then with the cut box to protect it, like this. We will protect from the water, from other pollution. And then all the rolls will be packed very well. After that, it will be like this. We will read all the weight and package all them. And then they are ready to be shipped. Also the rolls can be printed like I said before. So okay, that's all for the film rolls. Let's go back to my colleague room.